Hey guys, today we're fixing this broken door handle. It's been wobbly for a while, and today it came right off the door after I pulled on it with a bit extra force. Fortunately, it should be an easy fix. This particular door handle is designed to attach to the door with 3 screws. The screws are fine, but the holes are completely stripped, so there's nothing for the screws to bite into. To fix this, I'm going to fill the holes with 6mm wooden dowels. First, I will use a 6mm drill bit to enlarge the existing holes. Here I am applying quick drying wood glue to the dowels. And it's a good idea to add some inside the holes as well. This particular door is made of MDF, so it's going to soak up a lot of glue. Then the dowels go in. I'm going to give the glue about 20 minutes to dry before I move on to the next step. Now I can trim the dowels flush with the door. I'm using a Japanese saw for this step, but a simpler saw should work fine. If you want to trim the dowels before gluing them, that's fine as well. To remove the old screws, I first have to remove this ring that covers them. There is also a 4th screw hidden right here, and it has to be loosened. Now I'm going to hold the handle to the door and mark with a pencil where the screws will go. Next, I will drill small pilot holes for the screws with a thin 2mm drill bit. Once that's done, I can screw the handle back in place. Don't forget to tighten the 4th screw, it holds the handle to the shaft inside. Finally, I can put this ring back and this door handle is officially fixed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If so, let me know in the comments and subscribe to my channel to never miss any of my future videos.